How to export transparent video background in After Effects. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your After Effects and just select the area that you want to get the video for without the background. And after selecting that particular part on the timeline, simply click on File at the top and then click on the option of Export. There you would be able to find the option of Add to Render Queue. Just simply click on it. Then click on Render Settings and make sure that you have selected the best quality and then click on OK. After that, make sure that the background is transparent. So for that, open up Output Module Settings and there make sure that the format setting is on QuickTime and then click on the output options and there make sure that you have selected RGB plus alpha. If you cannot select that particular option, simply click on Format Options and then under the video codec select Animations and then click on OK and you would be able to select RGB plus alpha in the output option, and after that click on OK and just render your project, and this way you would be able to get the video without background. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.